This tutorial will show you how to upload changes to remote repository on Bitbucket with Sourcetree. First, let's make some changes to a working directory. Here is a local working directory called Cashger Tutorial Software, and there are two files added to this folder. One is a test file called old file. Another file is a MATLAB code file called plotline. And these two files are already pushed to Bitbucket. You can see in the remote repository on Bitbucket, a commit was pushed with the message saying added original files. And in Sourcetree, in the history tab, you can see that this commit is the current commit. And the message of the information of the commit shows that these two files are added. And in the file status, you can see there's nothing to commit and no pending files. So now let's make some changes to this working directory and then commit and push these changes. Add a new text file. Modify the code file. I'm going to change the color of the line from black to blue. Save. Delete the old file. Now I've finished working in the directory. Next, we will save these changes to local repository by staging and committing files. Staging files means we select the files with the changes that we would like to include in the next version. And commit means we'll save these changes in the local repository. In Sourcetree, under file status, we can see that there are 3 files haven't been staged yet. The plotline code file was modified, the old file was deleted, and a new file was added. And we can either stage all of them or stage selected based on what you need. The stage selected function allows us to break down our working changes into smaller and self-contained pieces. And in this example, I will stage all of them. After the files are staged, we're ready to commit. You can see on the commit button that there's a number indicating that there is one version waiting to be committed. And before we commit these changes, let's write a message describing what changes we've made. Hit commit. Okay, now Sourcetree automatically entered this history tab, and we can see that our latest commit is shown at the top of the history with the description here, and at the bottom we can see the changes. We can preview what changes we made. For example, in this code file, we changed the color of the line. You can also see that the local master branch is pointing to the latest commit, while the remote master branch and the remote head are still pointing to the last commit. Now we're ready to save these changes to the remote repository. First, make sure your local and remote repositories are connected, and if you have internet, we're good. And next, let's push. In Sourcetree, on the button push, there is a number indicating that there is one commit ready to be pushed. Click push, and we're going to push the commit on the local master branch to the remote master branch. Click push. Now the latest commit is pushed to Bitbucket and let's check it out. On Bitbucket, let's refresh the page. Okay, now we can see the latest commit shown in the remote repository. We have the new text file and modified plotline code file with the message we entered. If you need more information, please check these links. Thank you.